So these are very weird markets for again another day in a row where it looks like nothing's happening on the Globex, nothing's happening on the Globex, like flat from the open to the close. It just some action and you go back to the same level. Before open, almost to the same level, right? Here it's same level. Okay, that was the big deal, but now few days in a row, it just looks like, you know, something like the market is waiting for something. It's waiting for news, and we're coming up to all-time highs on all this that has been made before now is in play also. We've been chopping around here. There was like from like 2 months and a half, same place, you know. Then there was lots of movement for another 3 months, and now we are in consolidation for 2 weeks ish, right? There was like consolidation, 2 days move, consolidation, few good days, 1, 2 consolidation. I mean, from this what I see, it feels like, we should be still staying in the range, in the stupid range. And we are in a tight range also, and today it's very like a stupid day. We're opening inside yesterday's value. This is a lower area, this is a POC, and this is the higher value of yesterday. So we have 1 minute till the open. Most likely, what I see is that we're gonna go tag that on the open, right off the open, like slam there. But and also when we go here, we reject, we go down, and maybe today to these levels, yeah, maybe this would be in play, and also PP, because we have like a fair value gap, Okay, let's go, boys. Let's go up. I'm telling you, this is going just straight up for that support. I'm telling you, it's going up. I said it's going up. What? Where are my orders, please? Nowhere. They are fucking gone. So this is okay. Okay. 1 to 2, almost like that's nice that my orders, stop losses and everything went I don't know where. I don't know, man. They went to hell, and I'm lagging $50 on this move. I should also be staying, but I wanted. What the? Why is this like happening? Yeah, I mean, bravo. That's another $20 or something. Okay, so super little duper scalp, like a super small scalp. Just wanted to prove my, I don't know. I did what I felt to do. Jesus, can we? How on earth? This is crazy. So that was my target, you know, but I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that for f6. This would have been like, okay. It's irrelevant to what I'm risking actually overall. Like if I'm risking 250 and right now I risked, that was 50. No, that was 20 risk. So overall my risk is irrelevant. My Jesus. But you know, maybe next time we'll go in bigger or something else. And I hope next time my stop loss and take profit works, which would be nice. So I almost went to our support and resistance. I drew those yellow lines today from what I see only for today. For this part, this. Like these are not valid or something. I don't care about those. Look, this consolidation is not fitting in my screen anymore. There was like this one, you know. Also now that one didn't. These were much shorter consolidations, and now this one is not fitting into my screen. By the way, I'm speaking and speaking, and I am having a decision to make now on this 5 minute candle, which is whether we, I mean, what we do. We place orders. Okay, so this is what, 4 or 6 contracts to the upside. I'm not trusting this break, to be fair with you, but we might still go for it. There was lots of consolidation here, but it can obviously, this is like a support, a massive support. If we break that, there's a nice target of 800s, right? This is a very nice target if we break that. But to break that, we will have to play some games, you know? And also this is value, high level. I mean, like, there's both ways possibilities. We break that or we don't. My entry says we have to enter this, right? Obviously, I would have preferred to see a follow through and get away from my entry and from my stop loss, which was not that what happened. Okay, it's lagging as F. Today I'll be like, I want that to reach that, and I want that to be like that. I know yet again, this might be my death, you know. But if we can continue there, so 800s is a nice target to catch. Maybe I added also at the when I add it at 50, that's so many times what happens is that market reverses in that position. Plus, this is like stop run, but if we could sweep that sweet liquidity there, okay, let's go a little bit more deeper into this trade, expecting us to break that level and go for 800s. And go for 800s. Let's hold fingers, okay? Let's hold our fingers. We touched that 50. I would love that to be on this like ish. Where? Yeah, I entered with 6 contracts. Okay, we don't have lots of things. Yeah, we just now let's hold it, okay? It's looking pretty good for my target. I mean, if that breaks, that obviously breaks a little bit higher. Now what could we do? We could take out all the profits, or we could add. The problem is that I like don't see anything else here anymore. Also, yes, I would totally love to be here on break even because okay, we add one more. Okay. This is like break even-ish trade if I would be here with a huge target to go for 800s. Can we like go on this momentum? That is the question, which will be answered or not. I don't know, but we shall see. I should take nothing, do nothing, just wait for that. uh, is there enough juice for the resistance here? I don't know. Is there enough juice at least to my target? I don't know. This pullback is a bit shitty ass pullback that I don't like. Okay, we still got up to here maybe right now. It's like, you know, it's a weird spot. Okay, so another candle. It's still 15-minute range. Is this the top of that range? Can we still go to 800s? That's the question. And I want to ask myself how long I want to like hold here. I want to hold that till my stop loss gets hit. Is that okay with me? I don't know. Maybe I want to add on this. I know it's just looking a bit scary right now, but you know, if that goes my way, it's a big win. If not, that's a little loss. So let's see. Do we have enough of buyers in the market to push this market still higher to the 800s? Or we have to go a lot to the downside before we go there. I mean, my stop loss is not in the best position. Not in the best position. It's more or less like on the break, on this support that has been broken. So markets like to come back to previous supports and resistance, right? if we break the top, I would add one more. Okay. Now, actually, let's put it where it's supposed to be. We broke that, but we are not stable on the break to the upside. We are half time to the candle. My stop loss is at the break even. And can we just pop it up? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. 800s are in play. I wonder, wow, what this target could mean for us. I mean, I don't. Oh my God, there's lots of or like people are waiting here, obviously, as a target, which was like the second attempt, which I don't like. This pullback, I really don't like that pullback. I have my stop just below this area with big slippage. I might get F'd, obviously. Now we'll have another just attempts to break down and not reach the 800s, which sucks. That's terribly sucking big damn it dick. Okay, I'll get stopped out, obviously. Okay. Okay. I was too big in the fucking position. And I got stopped out just on the tick. On the tick. Right on that stick, tick, dick. And stopped out on the break even, where my entry was. Okay, so we are break even-ish minus. Okay. But okay, so okay. Well, that's what like could be worse, you know? Could be worse. Pium, pium, pium. Ah, we have news by the way on this time. Right? Lots of indecision on the news. Like, I mean, these are not huge news. We'll be waiting for bigger news there. I would still be in the trade if my stop would be at the original place. That's one thing I want to highlight here from this trade. What I took out of this trade. Okay. Now it's looking a little bearish, to be fair with you. Like that third candle, 15 minutes, that went up and couldn't go through. Well, we'll still have a school run trade, etc. And we can also check school run for that. So yes, got some juice. Prob maybe just. it's above that value, we'll take that on demo. Yeah, so we will probably push up eventually, but before that, we will be stopped out, which sucks to be me. Like from this formation right now, I would see it more to the downside. But that's just me. Maybe that was a pullback, as I said, to the support, and now we're going up. That also might be the case, but now I'm not in good position to enter the trade anymore. I'm stopped out. Okay, there's another news in 15 minutes, and we are not breaking the below this candle right now for this target, which would be actually even better one because we had lots of support. I would definitely see that touching if we would start going to the downside. Maybe I should put an order in actually, you know, just to be in that trade because here, I mean, it would not stop for what I see up to like that would break that, and maybe here, maybe PP. That's a big potential for the downside, but we'll see. We are really having a hard time breaking to the upside. I mean, this candle was inside candle, see? Well, that was ticks away, but that grabbed everything left there, went down. This one was inside, and then we will chop here. Probably wait for hourly news, and then we'll see what happens. Hey! back inside value. And by the way, stepped out at my initial target, initial stop loss. So is this now a vomit to the downside? Grab of liquidity? Huh? What happened? What a ugly wick, huh? What a ugly wick. And yeah. On top of that, if I would be on the other side of, I would sell here, also it'd be in problems. Wow, 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 wow. These moves are definitely ugly. Ugly, ugly. 16? So 10 and a half, it's 15. What's like 5 minutes left? Okay. Like, look at the moves. Like, there's no the the fucking that thing. What's that called? Spreads. There's no liquidity in markets. The markets are waiting for news. So here, but remember yesterday what happened on this guy? We had peom peom. Like on news, this is unstoppable. Unbelievably bad. So probably I'm not taking that on news. Do I want to take this one on news? Somehow there's more liquidity in ES in MNQ because the more and more people now trade micros. Okay, so here go 15,000 lots. Here we have like half of that, you know, half of that, almost half of that, less. On ES and NQ on minis, it's another situation, but here it's better to have more liquidity than on that guy. I'm interested in what's the, let's take it here. Who's that? Okay, I know I get 14. What? Oh my god, so no one's trading that guy. Wow. I mean, bruh. NQ, everybody left NQ. It's just too much. Like, it's too expensive, you know? Okay, ES. Let's measure ES. Last hour. See, it's okay. When we are talking about close numbers, we will be talking about exact 15. So there's less, but same-ish, right? Good. With that out of the way, I mean, if we get slippage, we want to be here. I don't want that to take here and get out here, you know what I mean? Okay, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. And by the way, school run. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Interesting school run, by the way. I like what we got here, which is 54 for a school run. We could use a it's a bit okay. It's a bit bigger range, so I could use 5, like that. If that takes all of those 11, and I'm getting stopped out here. Um, ah, fuck, maybe like this, okay. Let's see what the news brings us. And also, obviously, I could not even try to enter this with this. I could wait for and then just put an order. Wait for that the second 1 second stuff, because like if it goes here, I mean, could that be that bad? Could it be that good? Okay, if it's real money, it's a little bit of a gamble, okay? That's it. It's a little bit of a gamble. Because it can be taken out, stopped out, anything. I'll just, yeah, you see spreads are just getting wider and wider. So I will wait for just 5 seconds or something. I don't care. On this one, on the other hand, let's put them, okay? Here. And on this one, I'm a bit cautious. Okay, let's see. Okay, it freezed. I don't know where we're trading. Okay, that was almost my target on both. No, that was just a real target, like this and this. Okay, that was wrong what I did. That was just stupid what I did. Let's close that. What was that? What was that? What? Who's that? Oh, I need that stop loss. Yeah. I know it's a big wick. I know we take out the liquidity, but somehow I'm still feeling that this is going to be like sell off. If we hold below VWAP, if we just hold there for a little longer, we are Gucci. I mean, I'm risking, okay, it's not what I truly want to be risking, but let's see. Is that like again same, or we are now dropping 700s? If we can drop through those, right? Drop through hundreds, through 700s, drop. Okay, I'm not doing right things today, bro. I'm not doing the right things today, bro. Okay. Okay, I just started to chase markets. That's it. I just started to chase markets. Yeah. Ooh, evil inside me. Fuck it. I'm not giving up to this evil. Okay, okay. I had a little tilt. Okay. I had a little tilt. That's all I have to say. That was just a little tilt that happened a little bit. Mm, relax. Fuck. If I would just be in my position with that lot taken out, I would already be like if and if so we are dropping obviously to the support. Jesus. Um okay, next time. What's the options next time? What are the options? Should I leave my bracket orders there or not? That's the question. Should I leave them on? Because from like obviously it's dangerous, but from what I see, it just we made we still actually didn't tag the target, which is the same here. I went into big. I that's my on me. That's 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 on me. Mm, yeah, obviously we'll touch. Yep, that's the target. That's my profit taking and any setup. Good, 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 good. Good, good. So again, mind, trader's mind just fucked me. My thoughts, my everything just fucked me, right? Good, 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 good. Pretty bitty, pretty bitty, pretty bitty, pretty bitty. Okay, okay. I just got F by market. So both of my trades worked, if that would be the case. I didn't want to gamble on the downs on orders on this one, but that happens to be profitable. So now, what could I do better next time? Hmm, like leave the orders? pretty hard to do that. Was it a gamble? Yeah, my thought process is right. This one, this target, for sake of, or we bounce back. Hmm. Yeah, bro. On paper, today is a profitable day. On paper, yesterday, yeah, yesterday's not a profitable day. Am I? Hmm. I want to actually take a long here. To this target. Yeah, my stop loss is very close. Scalpy, scalpy long. We can make it free, you know. Yeah, it just looked like that. Okay, so I'm what, break even on the day? Almost. Why did I take that? Well, because I've seen that a lot of times. Also, it bounced to the support. It's a long wick. Also, we can go definitely as a target for a VWAP. Maybe also that we're still trading in this area, you know, inside yesterday's value. Also, this could be like a possibility for the up movement. What the VWAP as a target is a lot of times very like confident thing. Maybe I entered with too many risk, but what I've been risking was this, which is 360. Okay, that's too much. Actually, I was risking 150 because my daily loss limit is at 550, which also is not the worst thing, but this was tempting to take because I think um, I've seen that many times. Also, this day looks like boom, 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 boom. You know, trading in range. This was support many times. So VWAP as a target, perfect target. Maybe the pivot could have been or something. I'm not blaming myself for this scalp. Was what, 1-to-1? 36, 36. Yeah, 1-to-1 trade. Good. It's a good scalp, I think. It's not really out of very dangerous. It's not really a gambling. Um, I need to. Okay. Where was that? Maybe. I don't know. If we take a look at 1 minute. Was that taking after I've put my order or before I took my order? No, that, and then it came back also. Okay. You see, I could have done this, and just let me check on this one also. But that freezed, like, I didn't have time to react actually. That freezed. No, no, I just don't want to see 1 minute. That, wait, where was that? Okay, we have this, like, gap of the huge drop. Like, yeah, this. Then we had that. And then we definitely came back for 2 minutes right there. I could have placed my order, as I said, by the way. Because if that was like this flush, I wouldn't be in the trade by any means. So I'm thinking like next time, what I said previously, that I should put my order. Well, that was like unclear. Actually, why I was watching this maybe more. Yeah, we do that a lot of times, I remember. Where we going? We're going to this area. Now we're closing below VWAP. We are entering school run range. We are testing that again, just a little bit, and now we are going to the upside, which also indicates me that I might want to take one little scalpacito. Okay, good. I think I'm humbled by the markets just enough today. I'm not that okay. That was maybe below the pivot, the last pivot. Let's take one more. Okay, the better position right now. I just think that it's gonna come back here to this support and resistance, or it will not. Okay, was that a wick we wanna see? I want this to get up and over the VWAP to enter more lots, because right now it's a bit of indecision where it wants to go. And it wants to stop me out. Okay, I have minus 100 today. Okay, I think I'm seriously done. Like, seriously, bro. From plus 50 to minus 400 to minus 100. Good. Look, we have such an indecision on this candle. I still want to go long, like very badly. I don't know what to do. No, I think I'm done. Okay, I don't have. I have just a thought, like I think I want to do this and that. Probably market will go there. It's a probability, very much probability. Okay, a write up. Well, if we go there, maybe we're still in this trade, but actually maybe not. In school run, yeah, we're still in the school run without, well, break even, maybe. So as I saw, it was for the next time, just not to be that shitty ass positioning myself in a gamble trade. What I want to do is actually I want to take a put an order just after the news, 1 minute after the news, for example, when this first candle closes, I'll put an order. And I will, in my mind, try to pretend that obviously it can go and not stop, obviously.